Welcome to Mercy Video Styles channel. My name is Mercy. In today's video, guys, I'm going to decorate my dining area. Guys, I wanted something very simple yet beautiful. Guys, if you need some ideas how to decorate for Easter, and if you're looking for a really simple decor, this video may be very helpful to you. Guys, I'm started with my centerpiece. Is in my DIY, guys. If you want to see how I did, I'm going to leave the video in the description box down below for you to check it. And those beautiful chargers, I get them from P.O BOX. Guys, the link of everything will be in the description box down below. If something in the video interests you, if you want to recreate the look, feel free to check the description box down below. The dining plates from Walmart, I got them 5 years ago, still serve me well. They are very simple, can be used for any occasion. Today, I didn't want to be too extra. I wanted something very simple. And I want to bring the pink, the blush and everything. Guys, I really like how the table setting turns out. So if you want to see how everything turns out, make sure to watch the video till the end. Show me your love like it is, and open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless. And open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless. I always take some time to welcome everyone that is to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Mercy. Please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit on the notification bell. On my next upload, you will be the first person to know. In my channel, guys, I do product review, I do DIY clean with me, home decor. If you are not new and you haven't subscribed yet, please consider to do so today. To all my subscribers, thank you so much, guys. Without you, I will never be who I am today. I'm truly grateful for every single one of you guys. I love you all and keep on watching. Guys, those silverware, I get them from Amazon. So like I said, everything will be in the description box down below. If something that you like, you may check them out. And this year I didn't want to buy too much things because everything that I have in this video, I already have them at home. I didn't buy nothing at all because, you know, if you're a home decor lover, you know you're gonna have a lot of things. So make sure to shop your home before you set up your table, because you might be amazed how many things that you have at home you will never use. Bonjour, bonsoir mes amis, bienvenue sur ma chaîne. Si vous êtes ici pour la première fois, je vous souhaite la bienvenue. Mon nom est Merci, guys. Je vous en prie, n'oubliez pas de vous abonner et de partager. À tous mes abonnés, un grand merci mes amis pour votre support. Je vous aime. Guys, this entire centerpiece is made of Dollar Tree and thrifts. It's another best way to make your home look beautiful without spending too much money. I love my home to look unique. Guys, if you look for a similar centerpiece like that on Etsy, they outrageous expensive. I was able to make mine about $10. Okay guys, this is the finished look. Let me know down below what do you think, if you like it. If you do, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and share the love with your friend and family. And don't forget to leave me a comment down below. Let me know what do you think. Guys, on my sideboard right there, this is my DIY, my orchid planner. So I love it so much. bonjour, bonsoir mes amours. Si vous la première fois, moi souhaite bienvenue. S'il vous plaît, pas oublier abonner et puis partager vidéo avec famille aux amis. Et si pas la première fois, tout moi dis merci en pile pour support. S'il vous plaît, continuez à regarder les vidéos, moi aimez nous. Okay guys, that was all for today and thank you so much for taking your time watching the video. I love you all and I'll see you on my next one. Bye!